Imagine a world where banks become obsolete, a world where you are your own bank. Welcome to the world of Bitcoin. This revolutionary concept of decentralized currency was born in the year 2009, conceived by an enigmatic entity known only as Satoshi Nakamoto. But why was Bitcoin created, you might ask? It was a direct response to the 2008 financial crisis. A cry for a new form of currency, one that was free from the control of traditional financial institutions. At the heart of Bitcoin lies a groundbreaking technology known as the blockchain. It's a public ledger, a transparent record of all transactions, making Bitcoin secure and trustworthy. This technology doesn't just underpin Bitcoin, it's the very foundation of its existence, the backbone of its operation. So Bitcoin was born out of a need for change, a need for a financial revolution, and that revolution is well underway. Now that we have an understanding of why Bitcoin was created, you might be wondering, how does it actually work? Well, let me enlighten you. Bitcoin operates on something called blockchain technology. This is essentially a public ledger containing all transaction data from anyone who uses Bitcoin. Transactions are added to blocks or the links of code that make up the chain, and each transaction must be recorded on a block. But who does this recording? That's where Bitcoin miners come in. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems that validate each transaction. Once the problem is solved, the transaction is added to the blockchain. In return for their efforts, miners are rewarded with new Bitcoins. Now let's talk about keys. Every Bitcoin holder has two keys, a public one which everyone can see and a private one which is kept secret. When you send Bitcoins, you sign the transaction with your private key, which is then verified using the public key. In essence, Bitcoin is a complex yet fascinating system that gives power back to the people. One might ask, what gives Bitcoin its value? Well, it's a fascinating interplay of supply and demand. You see, unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin has a finite supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. This scarcity, much like gold, gives Bitcoin its underlying value. But it's not just about scarcity. Bitcoin's value is also derived from its decentralized nature. This means it's not controlled by any government or institution. Instead, it's managed by a network of computers spread across the globe, each working to validate and record every transaction. This decentralization adds to Bitcoin's appeal, as it reduces the risk of manipulation and control by any single entity. Moreover, Bitcoin's value is also driven by the faith of its users. Its worth is ultimately determined by what people are willing to pay for it. And in times of economic uncertainty, many see it as a digital gold, a safe haven, a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin, a digital gold, a safe haven, a hedge against inflation, holds its value in its scarcity and the faith of its users. Let's gaze into the crystal ball and see what the future holds for Bitcoin. As the pioneer of digital currencies, Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. Consider international remittances, for instance. Bitcoin could make these transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient, bypassing traditional banking systems and their hefty fees. Then there's the realm of microtransactions. Picture buying your morning coffee with a fraction of a Bitcoin or tipping your favorite online artist in Satoshis, the smallest unit of Bitcoin. This could be our future. But it's not all rosy. Bitcoin faces significant hurdles. Regulatory issues loom large, with countries grappling over how to control and tax digital currencies. Scalability is another concern. The Bitcoin network needs to grow and adapt to handle an increasing volume of transactions. Whether you're a believer or a skeptic, one thing is certain. Bitcoin has etched a place in the archives of financial history, and its story is far from over. And as per latest news, the recent surge in the value of Layer 2 tokens is linked to the overall rise in the cryptocurrency market, particularly Bitcoin. Layer 2 tokens are crucial for increasing the practical uses of blockchains in areas such as finance and gaming. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Bitcoin. We hope that you found our exploration informative and enlightening. As we've seen, Bitcoin is not just a digital currency, but a potential game changer in the world of finance and beyond. But as with any venture into the unknown, it comes with its share of risks and uncertainties. Whether you're a believer, a skeptic, or just curious, we hope we've given you some food for thought. Stay tuned as we continue to delve into fascinating concepts, technologies, and trends that are shaping our world. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Your support keeps us going.